Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 26th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla still down today, down $28.72. That's 3.57%. Closed at 776.58. Post market, we are up by $2.96 at 779.54. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we are pulling back. And it seems like we are getting very close to the 764.86 support. This is a very important support. It was used, look at this here, it was used March of this year and also in February of this year to contain this big move down temporarily, because then the stock came back up and came back down through it. And now we are coming back outside of that slump under 764.86. So we broke outside of it and look at how we were touching it. So it seems like we might be bouncing on that. So look at this part here, almost this, and we had some touches here. This is an important support. This is an important area. So we have a little bit of a buying wick at the bottom. So buying pressure here that pushed the stock from getting down a little bit too much. So hopefully we are going to maintain ourselves here a little bit to reach this support. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So we opened the day today here at close to $800 and we came down quite strongly during the first hour. Second hour, we retested the channel support that we had lost and we could not close above it. Third hour was also down quite significantly, and then we are trading sideways. So we are still outside of this downward channel support. We are going sideways. Of course, we need to look at the possibility that we cannot break this resistance, and maybe we could be caving in a little bit more. So that's always possible. So just be wary of that. Stochastic is quite low at 10. So maybe we are doing another section like this. We'll see what is going to happen tomorrow with this. Let's hope that we are going to rebound on 770, which we are right now, or at least 764, as I mentioned. But yes, there's always the possibility that we fill this gap that we had here. We could go down as low as 737. But it would mean that we would be back to the pre-earnings call numbers, which would not be very nice because the earnings call numbers were great. We should maintain ourselves at least above 745. But we'll see. We cannot control much here. In terms of the indicators on the daily chart, stochastic still above 60. We still have what we need to be able to come back up. MACD is good, RSI is good, and DMI is good. So let's keep our fingers crossed and let's hope that this pullback is coming to an end. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.